So I have a product that I think is getting commonly overlooked right now, which is the Chromecast with Google TV. Google grazed over this, but I think this is a product that is somewhat compelling and a very good competitor to the Fire Stick. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the Chromecast with Google TV unboxed. So unfortunately, I don't have my knife, but I'm just gonna rip this open with my bare hands. Now, I always hated Chromecast because honestly, I liked my remote. Now, I do believe this is replacing the Chromecast Ultra. So let's see what they are giving us inside the box. And I want to see what this remote looks like. It looked cool, looked fun. The whole event was really fun and playful in my opinion. Please tell me it comes with batteries. Oh. Well, it makes sense not to put the batteries in, but you know. So, like I said, I think this is replacing the Chromecast Ultra. And I also want to say that I really want to love this device. I'm gonna have to wait and see how the OS is. I like the idea of Chromecast and be able to open apps and you just cast your app to the screen. But I also like having a OS that I can navigate if I want to watch Netflix or do something else. I have that luxury, which I think is the reason why the Fire Stick is such a popular commodity right now. But as you can see, this is the little puck that you get. Has the Google logo on the front. On the back has all your information. This is probably a syncing button. And then you have HDMI, which goes into your port. I'm going to put this into my sound bar so I can get potentially Dolby Atmos. Let's see what else we get in the box. Paperwork that, to be honest, I'm not going to read. We get a... How big of a charging port is this? Google, don't hate me for this, but I'm just gonna rip this out. This is a 7.5 watt power adapter, and then it is powered by USB-C. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to my TV, and you guys can see me set up the Google Chromecast with Google TV. But before I do, here's what I want to show you. So if you have a TCL, hey, listen, don't hate on TCL. You guys got value. TCL, if you're watching this, I love you. Thank you for all the features and value you give me in a TV. With that out the way, this is the size comparison between a TCL remote. Let me also get an Apple Watch remote. Did I really just say Apple Watch? Am I an idiot? All right, listen, I know I said Apple Watch, but cut me some slack. It's been a long day for me. The Apple TV remote is thin. Look at the thickness difference between these remotes. Apple TV remote, I don't like this whole glass surface thing, but you know, I'm brainwashed by Apple to buy every single product. But I'm ready to leave and get into something better like the Chromecast TV. So let's go ahead and get this set up. So, waiting for this to set up. I will say though, I really do like the feel of this remote in my hand. It's very comfortable, natural, easy to hold, it's lightweight. Oh, snap. But for my guess is that you're going to set this up through your smartphone. That's probably going to be the easiest way to set this up. There's no way that they're going to just let you set this up with just a remote. So we're going to wait and see what Google is going to... Oh, they have the remote on the screen. So I guess we do need the remote to set up. So I'm going to press the home button. Oh, I pressed both of these at the same time. Okay. Now it looks like that I am paired. So I live in the US and I speak English. So yeah, like I said, you can do this through your smartphone. Okay, so now I'm inside my Google Home app, and as you can see, these are all my devices. At the very top, it says set up Chromecast. So I'm gonna click this button up here. Go next on my home device. So it's looking for devices. And in a couple seconds, it should say that it found my device. Yep, there it is. So it's saying that I'm Chromecast 9917. So we're gonna hit next. Scan the QR code on the screen right here. I got literally 75% of the QR code and it somehow was able to scan it. So that's whatever. So it's connected to Chromecast right now. And I'm going to let Google do its job. So I'm gonna hit accept, I agree. It's in my living room. The Fire Stick is good. The reason why I don't use the Fire Stick anymore is because I mean, Apple TV has a bigger suite of Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision content on different applications. So now it's telling me what other services I want to connect to this TV. So Netflix, Prime, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Spotify. We are just going to use the art gallery, but hey, that's Maryland for you up there, the photo you just saw. Let's just do street art, honestly. Captured on Pixel. Hey, so it looks like it's going to be setting up the rest of my TV. Whoa, what is this? So in this option, if you don't have a sound bar, you can choose your TV. If you do have a sound bar, choose sound bar. If you have an AV receiver, use AV receiver. I'm using a sound bar, so that's the one I'm going to choose. It is Vizio. Wow, Vizio isn't popular? I feel bad. You'll hear music next. If you can't hear it, make sure the volume is turned up. Yeah, the buttons work. That was easy. To set up the power button, choose your TV brand. Hey, TCL popular? Yep, I see TCL right there. So it's telling me to press the power button once, wait 8 seconds, and then turn it back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Do the buttons work? Yes, they do. So my Chromecast remote is all set up. I'm still here. I was just sitting on the ground because the installation took a little bit. So now I can start exploring. So my Chromecast is ready. Wow, that was quick. Whoa, top picks for me. Why is that number 1 and why is this number 2? Why are these top picks for me in general? Whiplash though, a 10 out of 10 movie. But you do have Google Assistant built into the remote, so for quality purposes, we're just gonna test it out. Turn on living room.
Okay,
And
turning 7 things on.
Nice. Turn off living room.
All right, turning 7 things off.
So Google Assistant works right off the... Seriously? Oh my gosh, this is in the living room. So what I want to do real quick is just find a show that is Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision compatible, just to see if the Chromecast with TV is able to produce it. And yes, it is, as you can see right there. Dolby Vision. Whoa, I'm gonna get demonetized. Chill. So as you can see right here, we have Dolby Atmos as well as it's playing in Dolby Vision. And I'm not trying to get demonetized, so you gotta chill with all this altered carbon. But that's nice to see that we have Dolby Atmos built into Netflix. One other test is I wanna see if it's built into Disney Plus. I love this already more than Apple TV, 100%. Mulan, I'm still waiting. I'm not paying that $30 to watch that movie. So let me just find something that is Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision compatible and see if it's able to be produced on the Chromecast with Google TV. So Dolby Vision. Whoa, we're hitting this scene already? Oh God, I'm gonna get demonetized. Chill! So unfortunately, Dolby Atmos is not supported on Disney Plus yet. I don't know if they're going to be able to support it in future software updates. I hope they do. If they are able to produce that, that would be pretty nice. Why are these good picks for me? I don't understand. I don't watch this stuff. What in the world are these shows? What is this? It's a drama though. I watch dramas, that's for sure. So I do think that the Chromecast with Google TV is a pretty good value for your money. And I think that the Fire Stick might have a run for its money for people who don't want to delve themselves inside the Amazon ecosystem. They might want to pull themselves back into the Google ecosystem. But for $50 with all the features and values that you're getting out of this Chromecast, I do think that this is a pretty good buy for your money. But this is just first impressions. I'm going to have to wait and use this device for a couple more weeks, maybe a week, and see what it's like. Although I do think that, hey, it's looking pretty good. Hey, Optimum Tech, underrated YouTuber. Just saying, just putting that out there. Underrated YouTuber. But with all that being said, guys, I do hope you found this unboxing and setup to be very informative. Like I said, $50, I think for a lot of people, if they just want to smartify their TV and have all their apps into one ecosystem and not use the one built into their TV, that the Chromecast with Google TV, that's a mouthful to say, is a pretty good buy. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Please make sure to subscribe if you did. And as always, guys, much love. It would be really awkward if I wasn't in frame this entire video and my knees hurt. Oh my God, I'm getting old.